Kia ora e te hoa mai. Tēnei taku wero o te Korokoro Tui, wero tuatahi, Waiata, Pākehā. Ko Tiiana, o ko tōku ingoa, I tēnei waka. I answer to Dai as well. Everywhere else I'm always Dai, but Tiiana here, which is kind of nice. I love that name. So the Waiata that I've chosen was written by Paul McCartney when he was about 15 or 16, and it's called When I'm 64. And when you're 15 or 16, 64 seems an awfully long time away, and it also seems quite old. When you whiz past 64, you don't even notice it until a few years later, and suddenly you realise that you've finished your young and you're at the beginning of old. Anyway, Paul McCartney's song from when he was a young fella, and I'm going to have a go with my little ukulele. And I'm not great with this, so I have to look at the chords because I don't remember what the chords are when I'm singing it. So if I'm looking in a funny direction, I'm looking at the chords. So here we go. When I get older, losing my hair, many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine, birthday greetings, what a while? If I've been out to 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still leave me? Will you still leave me when I'm 64? You'll be older too. And if you say the word, I could stay with you. I could be handy mending your shoes when your lights are gone. You can let the sweater by the fireside Sunday morning go for a ride, doing the garden, digging the weeds. Who could ask for more? Will you still leave me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Every summer we could rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight. If it's not too dear, we shall swim and sail. Grandchildren on your knee, Vera, Chuck, and Dave. Send me a postcard, drop me a line, stating point of view. Indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer, fill in a form. Mind furthermore. Will you still leave me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? There we go. That's from Paul. So my goals. My big goal is to try to understand the kōrero when people speak. I want to understand what they said. And on the journey it would be great if I can learn how to speak a little bit too. And what I learn to speak, I really want to speak it with the right pronunciation. I think it's really important to respect the language, and so the few words I learned in Kökā Māori, I tried to say them the way the local people said them, and so I want to try and do that here. So that's my goal. I really want to understand. I love watching the Māori programs on the TV, but I don't understand what they're saying most of the time. So that's my big one. So that's me. Mā te wā.